and access to those. Hopefully you're aware of Solid Edge Part Community, so this is it's a website you're used to it being, it's powered by Cadenas, so you get access to tons of off-the-shelf components. This is now available all in your pocket, so iOS devices, Android devices, there's an app that's now downloadable, so you can browse for over 400 manufacturers while you're on the go.
What about electrical? So we partner with several different companies for electrical schematics and then doing the wiring, but we're working very closely with Zuken right now. Their product E3 is a great product for schematics. You can do your schematics and figure out all that electrical engineering stuff that I don't understand. And you can transfer that into Solid Edge to do the wiring automatically, connect everything up automatically, and then use your wire routing techniques to put it in place. You can then finish it out with nail boards in Solid Edge to create the manufacturing drawings for the harness. And you can take those wire links back to Zuken for further analysis there, for example, voltage drop and such that happens based on the wire link. So a full, complete cycle. Now, not only are people building new apps on Solid Edge, they're also building new work practice on Solid Edge. So we've talked a lot about synchronous technology today, but those of you who are history-based users, I want you to perk up your ears for just a second and take down this particular website, learnrms.com. Some great work practice on how to build resilient solid models. Solid models that you can edit without causing the whole tree to go red and everything break. How can you put together your design process better to do this? So right now, learnrms.com. If you go over there, you're probably thinking, oh, I gotta go through days or weeks of stuff. It's really about an hour in little 2 to 4 minute snippets. You can learn how to do this and immediately be more productive.
Okay, next up, 3D printing. So I'm sure you've all heard about 3D printing. It's always big in the CAD press. It's also something maybe you think it's reserved for larger companies, machines costing tens of thousands of dollars. That's really no longer the case with machines like the Megabot replicator that's in the picture there. And also nice intuitive interfaces to prep models for those more consumer level or more accessible machines, such as Microsoft 3D Builder. So in Solid Edge ST7, we now have a direct link with 3D Builder, so it really gives you great access to 3D printing.
And then finally, what about CAM? We of course have a CAM Express product. We're doing a variety of complicated machining operations. We also have CAM Works that works directly in the Solid Edge window. And that product has been evolving as well, and we'll hear more about that later sessions today. But adding more machining capabilities, as well as, of course, assembly level machining and being able to see whether you have problems or clearances or that kind of thing.
I'm sorry, Dan, I'm going to interrupt you.
So,
this guy, we've been presenting what's new in ST7. Sorry about this. I've got to pull this guy out. He's just messing around on his tablet. Excuse me. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah, everyone here is paying attention. We've put some effort here. We're presenting all of this new stuff in ST7. You're just messing around on the tablet.
I'm just trying to get some side work done.
You're trying to get some side work done while we're all here. Unbelievable.
Well, it's not just any side work. I mean, I had my partner, I'm on travel right now, of course, I had my partner finish up some design work, and I'm just putting it in the assembly, making sure it works. I got to get the links into that work.
Oh, so you're working on Solid Edge?
Yeah, well, I mean, you're the one up there doing the presentation for new ST7 stuff, but yeah, if you want me to spill the beans, I'll go ahead and do it. Yeah, with the Microsoft Surface Pro, you have full access to Solid Edge and all the functionality in it. And, using GrabCAD's workbench, you can collaborate and send some files.
All right, big mouth. Come on then. Come up and show us it. Keep in mind, just this guy. We'll give him the opportunity. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
You don't want to push up that, do you?
Right, show me what this is all about.
Alright, so basically what we have here is, we've been working on a design to finish off this golf cart, right?
Okay.
So using GrabCAD, like I said, my partner just had some updates come through. Go and access Workbench, go and collaborate on the line, take a look at all the different stuff that we have, using our own folder structures. We can look at it in the viewer. Solid Edge ST7 is going to be integrated. The viewer is going to be able to support all of the different models. And of course, you can download all of those files directly onto your system.
Okay. So this is the GrabCAD GrabCAD Workbench, I've heard about this, so online collaboration. So over the Wi-Fi's, you can download the model, you can make sure it's the most up-to-date one, and that all integrates then just within Solid Edge. You just bring in that model that's downloaded onto your tablet. It's all sounding very cool. And then you're snapping this into position. I noticed you were using like your fingers. It seems to support finger gestures. You can zoom in and out using your fingers, but one's fingers tend to be a little bit fat, should we say. So I see you're using a stylus as well. That's pretty cool for the detailed work.
Yeah, well, I mean, to be able to zoom around and stuff, I'm not going to be able to carry my 3D mouse around, and it gets kind of touchy, especially if you don't have a mouse. So
Yeah.
I usually on travel just use the stylus, and you know, when I'm at my desktop, I'll use the mouse or whatnot.
Okay.
But yeah, it's pretty cool stuff, but I'm pretty stoked about this bad boy right here. We're going to make a lot of money using this.
Okay, I mean, yeah, awesome use of the tools here. So Microsoft Surface Pro, running full Solid Edge, finger gestures.
Yeah,
and you've
man,
got
collaboration on the go.
GrabCAD Workbench for collaboration. I mean, it sounds awesome, love it. These already exist, these products, you know that.
Well, I mean, yeah, but we have a secret weapon though.
Which is,
Yeah, we're actually going to have Tiger Woods is going to sponsor us on this one. so-
Tiger Woods is going to, how many
Yeah,
is that?
we're gonna have his name on it. Well, I mean, I'm kind of a big deal around the links, you know. I do quite a bit of golfing in my time, but yeah, this is actually a picture of me and Paula Kramer when she won the Open relatively recently. But yeah, I'm actually gonna have Paula propose the idea to him at the first key beer card a little bit later.
It looks like a photoshopped image.
No, absolutely not. That actually happened, and yeah,
She's backstage.
yeah, she's actually waiting. That's why we gotta get going. She's actually waiting.
I can help her. I mean, I love tennis. Let's go.
Well, I mean, I'm not sure about that. Let me do the talking. I've seen you present.